Welcome to the world of Siberian Huskies. A Siberian Husky is a breed of dog that originated in the Northeast Asia and was bred by the Chukchi people of Siberia for long-distance sled pulls. Huskies were born to run. Huskies don't get fatigued. In the early 20th centuries, they were brought to Alaska to be used as sled dogs, with their distinctive appearance, which includes the erect ears, the bushy tail, and the wolf-like ears. Siberian Husky is a friendly, outgoing, and social. Their good-natured, affectionate nature makes them great companions but horrible guard dogs. It is not recommended that Siberian Huskies live with cats or rabbits unless they were raised together. The prey drive of these dogs is very high. These dogs' ability range from hiking, running, and agility training to mushing and ski joring. But without proper exercise, boredom and destructive behavior may result. Siberian Husky shed heavily, especially during shedding periods known as blowing coat. Their fur, it repels water from penetrating to their dense undercoat and getting in their skin. For families and individuals willing to provide them with exercise, training, and attention, Siberian Huskies make excellent companions.